Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this article that was written in August of last year, and it's pretty much just stating that the California Police Department dumping its gas cruisers for modded Tesla. So as you can see, if with the gas prices going up and with the crisis that we're having now, like the Iran is is attacking Israel, so we're pretty sure that the gas prices are going to be going up. But however, for this police department, specifically Pasadena, they decided to roll out, to get rid of their gas fleet and just replace it with the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. And to do this, they got the help from Unplugged Performance, and so to do all the modifications, to make it suited for the police car. And we're gonna take a look at the 13 pictures that they have, high resolutions. Right here, it looks really nice. As we can see, you got this, metal bars in the right here, the reinforcement right here, the lights on top, and all those spotlights. Really nice. Look like crazy. Look, realistic, beautiful, like RoboCops, right? It's Model Y right here, really nice. Got a spoiler as well too. That's crazy. Dual motors. So pretty much like the police chiefs just stating that they want to go this route because they're going to save money, and they like the durability of the Tesla and the low maintenance and also the acceleration. So those are some of the main points that they want. They went with the EVs. And here's some of the pictures right here that we can see right here. The outfitted, and this is a Pasadena one. So let's see, that's pretty much it. But and recently, according to this news by Sawyer's, the Anaheim Police Department also trying out as well too. But the Anaheim is taking like a step by step. So it's gonna not do the entire fleet. They're just gonna do it by 6 at a time and just see how it is. But as you can see, if more and more departments are seeing the value in the Tesla and and the low maintenance and the fuel costs and the savings, and that's pretty much pretty much all of the departments out there will be converting to EVs. It does not have to be Tesla. It could be Rivian R1S, R1Ts, who knows, or it could be Lucid, for God's sake, just like in Dubai, they're using Lucid as for the police department over there. So EV is the way to go. And as you can see right here, this is also will be outfitted by the Unplugged Performance as well too. So as you can see, nice. But I like the other one from the Pasadena. It looks much better, way cooler. This one, it doesn't have the spoilers we can see. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this article, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. But on that, take care. Until next time, be safe.